Hi guys, welcome back. So this week is going to be a bit of a different one, and for that I needed a guest.
Hi. Habari. What do you say?
Introduce yourself.
Okay.
And maybe put your glass of water down. Yeah.
Alright, sorry, I was eating.
Yeah.
Habari, I'm Brian Kimani, and I'm glad to be here on this channel. So
What do you
let's
do?
have fun. I feel like I'm in an interview.
Yeah, I know.
What do I do? I make travel videos on this weird website called youtube.com.
Amazing ones, by the way.
Have you heard about it? youtube.com. yes, I make travel videos on YouTube. Yeah.
I'll put his channel link in the description box. What we're doing is, I wanted to know if guys usually know what we're talking about when we speak, what do I call it? In like, I was about to say natural hair as if it's a language. Like,
Oh. Yeah.
but like when we speak in our lingo, in natural hair lingo is what I meant.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask him a few questions and see if he knows what it means or what they mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're up for
Yeah, okay, sure.
the challenge. So the first one is a very easy one. Big chop.
How is that easy? Big chop. Okay, say it in a sentence. Like a big chop of hair.
Margiey couldn't do the big chop because she was afraid of... No, I'm not afraid of anything.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Give me a name.
Delorious.
Okay. Delorious. Delorious couldn't do the big chop because she was afraid of how she'd look like. Does that help?
Delorious couldn't do the big chops because she
Big
was
chop,
afraid.
it's only one.
Oh, it's not like pork chops.
No.
It's when you like knee your head and then like all in one, and then you kafunga something here.
And then?
Yeah, and then you go like right. So one big chop of hair. Yeah, so you like.
So like one big ponytail or something.
Yeah, I don't even know what a ponytail. Yeah, ponytail is like the tail of a horse.
Yes.
Yeah, so like a ponytail. Oh yes, like that, but smaller, like African. Like because you don't have long hair. Like for example, you would do your hair like this. And then I funga something here. That's a big chop.
Wow, you cannot be further from the truth.
Or chop means cutting.
Wow, finally.
Okay.
Now you've messed.
Alright. Okay. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, so it's cutting your hair. But it's
Why are you
small
asking me?
pieces.
You're supposed to be answering.
Okay, my final answer is that cutting your hair cutting your hair.
Cutting your hair.
Yeah, one big chop, like one big haircut.
Wow. Okay, yeah, that's actually.
So I had a big chop.
Yes, but it's considered a big chop if you had relaxed hair and then now you're trying to become but like go back to being natural, so you cut out all your relaxed hair.
Relaxed hair.
Oh my god. Okay. Si unajua watu wakisema make a kem.
Okay, yeah,
That's relaxing.
Okay.
Yeah. The second one, TWA. What's a TWA? It's an abbreviation, hint.
TWA.
Yeah.
TWA.
It's related to a big chop.
The T is there. T.
No, it's not.
It's T.
Yeah, letter T.
No, but T.
No, how is that?
Tiny.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Tiny.
It's related
weave.
to
Wearable.
I see how that could make sense, but no.
Tiny wearable.
Finish.
Animal.
I literally just said it's related to the big chop.
Okay, tiny wearable.
It's right there.
Chucky, tell me.
Afro. But not wearable.
Okay.
It's teeny weeny afro, like tiny. Because
Oh,
you big
tiny
chop. So
weeny
now your
afro.
hair when
Okay,
it
okay,
grows,
okay.
it's si bado ni fupi.
Okay, so
So
I have a half a point.
There's no such thing as half a point.
Tiny.
Okay, fine. ACV. It's also an abbreviation.
Afro.
It's not hair.
Coconut. Huh?
It's not. It's not
It's
hair.
not hair.
No.
What is it?
It's a thing. It's a.
What do you
It's a
mean
product.
thing?
It's a thing used on hair. It's a product.
Like a chemical thing.
No. It's actually natural. Okay, it's the opposite of baking soda. I don't know if that helps. It's the opposite chemically. In like speaking as a chemist. In chemistry terms, ACV is the opposite of baking soda. So think of baking soda, its chemical properties, and then think of the opposite. Wow!
That
What?
doesn't even help.
What?
Like, I feel like I'm in a chemistry class.
Chemistry was my favorite subject in high school, so it's
It
not
was my
about.
worst.
Pole.
Yes, it doesn't help.
I'm sorry. Okay, let me give you one. A is apple.
Apple cider vinegar.
Jesus, that was so easy.
Yes.
Yes. How do you know that, by the way?
Apple cider
You see, it's the
vinegar.
opposite of baking soda, because that.
Okay, yeah, the vinegar.
But yeah.
But
that was a bad
still,
hint. That was.
yeah, that was a really bad hint. Wait,
Yes.
What does apple cider vinegar do to hair?
It's acidic, yeah, and our hair is also acidic. So after you've washed your hair, some people do an apple cider vinegar rinse afterwards so that it closes their cuticles. Have I made sense? Because like acid.
Okay.
Ah, jeez. Okay. Yeah, I feel like I need a whole class for this.
Yeah. Okay.
This is hilarious.
Yeah.
Creamy crack.
I feel like at this point you're making up things.
Oh god, it exists.
Creamy
It's
crack.
a real thing.
But
Yeah.
How is that related to hair? Creamy crack.
It's like slang. Think of the. But how would you know that?
Creamy
The
crack.
consistency.
Huh?
The consistency
Of
of the creamy crack.
consistent. What is what the
Like how it looks. Like the way water is liquid,
Uh-huh.
creamy crack is creamy.
It's like creaming your hair. Creaming the
With
cracks. The cracks of your hair.
What? I didn't know hair has cracks. Okay, you learn something every day.
But it's creamy crack, so there has to be a crack somewhere. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So
But no, it's not literal in that sense.
it sounds like a drug. Like like a drug. Oh wait, is it a drug for hair?
In a way,
Ah.
I
like,
guess.
Like when you say slang, you mean like an illegal drug kind of thing.
God.
Like do you have some creamy crack from your hair, like off the books? Do you have a creamy crack dealer?
A shop is a creamy crack dealer. I have hair and beauty supply shop.
So it's a cream
Yes.
for cracks.
No, it causes the cracks.
I don't know what creamy crack
Okay,
is.
so creamy crack is slang or like informal for a relaxer chemical. Because it's creamy and then it changes your hair's
Okay. Honestly,
properties, so it cracks
I
it.
didn't have known that.
Yeah, I figured. Protective style. What's a protective style?
Protective style.
Or protective hairstyle?
Like the specific style, it's a style. Or there are many protective
There are
styles.
many.
There are many. Ah, okay, one that protects
What
you.
makes it protective?
It protects you from rain.
Have you seen a hairstyle that protects? That's an umbrella, man.
It protects you from fire.
Hair is flammable.
Hair is okay. It protects you from natural disasters, earthquake. It protects you from Thanos.
Oh, good lord. Oh my god. But then did you go to the website for being spared or not? For Avengers, the website, where you could check if you've been spared, if you're among the 50 that was spared, or I'm sure you'd have gone. Oh, I'm getting that.
There is one.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I know.
I haven't seen
Anyway, we're getting.
yeah.
What are you talking about?
Protective.
Yes, what makes a hairstyle protective?
What makes it protective, or what is a?
Oh, sorry. What is a? Okay, now I've asked two questions.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. What is a protective style?
It's a style that protects you from.
Okay, let me just stop you there. It's not you we're protecting. Yeah, it's not about you as a person.
Okay.
It's about your hair.
So it protects the hair.
Yes.
The style that protects the hair.
From.
Ah, wait. Okay, it's a style that protects the hair from falling down. or from
It's like it tripped.
from cutting off, or from shrinking. Yes.
Are you so proud of this?
Yes, because that's the thing you guys say. I know my hair is shrinking.
Well, in a way, yeah, you're kind of right. You're kind of
I'm
right.
right.
Wow.
It protects you from shrinkage.
Someone's cocky.
And dirty hair.
You're close, because
Yeah.
like ideally it protects your ends from
shrinking.
from everything.
No, say shrinking. I'm right. Say shrinking. I'm right.
No, shrinking is not a bad thing. Like
No, but I want you to say it because I'm right.
My head is heavy. Okay, listen. A protective style protects your ends, like ideally your hair, because your ends are the weakest part, because it's further away from the scalp. So it protects your ends from breaking, forming tangles and knots, which lead to breakage. So any style where, like this one, is not a protective style because my ends are exposed.
Okay.
Dusting. What's dusting?
Dusting is easy.
It doesn't have to do with dust.
Okay. Okay. Give me a sentence.
My hair had so many tangles. No. My hair had so many split ends. I felt the need to dust it.
Split ends are these things, right? So dusting is removing them.
Yeah. It's like a... It's like a very small trim.
Yeah, I'm about to start my own hair YouTube channel. Watch this. Space.
EVCO. Also an abbreviation.
Yeah, but the V and the C are the ones that we discussed. It's not vinegar and cedar.
No.
Excruciating.
EVCO. Okay, then let me give you one. The O is an oil. It's oil.
Extra virgin oil. Is
You've
this something like
forgotten
that?
what? EVCO.
It's virgin. Extra virgin coconut oil.
Yeah. How did you know that one? Wow.
I don't even know.
Wow.
Extra virgin coconut. I think
you've seen it somewhere.
Yeah, in a movie or
Okay.
somewhere.
That was easy.
Yeah.
And ningeanza na hizo?
Yeah.
Okay. And finally, transition.
Like pan, left, right.
Wow.
Like
This is a
transition.
YouTuber, man. Like,
Like zoom in, zoom out.
we're not talking about editing. About hair.
Changing from one hairstyle to another.
Close. But it's
like-
very
like-
drastic. Like
Yeah,
very
like
dramatic.
but easy. Like you have this hairstyle, like the way you see I have this hairstyle, and then poof, I have a wig. That's a transition, right?
No. It's a very dramatic
And then
one.
I have. You see, I have hair now.
Okay.
This is a transition.
This is a thumbnail.
I don't know.
Okay, so transition is when you have relaxed hair and then you want to come back to being natural. So you transition. So you just stop reapplying the relaxer. So your natural hair grows and then you go trimming pole pole. So it's a transition.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. And with that, we're done. Honestly, I thought you wouldn't get any, so you tried. He tried, right?
Year of little faith.
Yeah.
This is an exam. I feel like
You'd at least...
I'd still get a D or an E, but at least
It's better than zero.
Zero,
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll get an oxygen, like an O2 or something.
That's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did,
like it.
Please.
Honestly, I had so much fun doing this video, and
I had so much fun having you on my channel, so that's cool. Yeah. Comment if you knew any or didn't know any, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also subscribe to Brian's channel. He does amazing travel vlogs.
Wow.
Like me.
Wow. Amazing is a stretch, but
They're amazing.
okay.
Take my word for it. They're amazing. So just go. I'll leave his channel link in the description box below. And with that, do you have anything else to say?
Yes, and if this video hits 100 likes, I'm going to do something with your hair. I'm going to do like
Okay, I feel like you've already done that. Like, how many likes?
100 likes. If this video hits 100 likes, I'm going to like do something with his hair. Like I feel I have so much knowledge now.
Oh wow.
And I can do this, so please.
The student becomes the teacher.
Please, 100 likes. And
yeah, so like this video and get it to 100 likes so that...
Yeah, so they can,
Oh God, help me.
I can share it.
Also, go to his channel and watch the video that we did for his channel. I'll also link it in the description box below. It's also another interesting one. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Habari.
Shit, I forgot to be silent. Shh.
But you know you're not taller than me, right?
Am I not?
No, but it looks like you're taller than me, but you're not.
It does.
I don't know how. Like
I think it's that side of the bed.
Maybe I have taller legs or something.
Or maybe.
Yeah. No, but like, yeah.
Whoa! What? So do I have a tall head?
You're big.
I'm not. This is not a clue.
Okay.